So, what are we gonna need for this video? Flashlight, pen, sharpness, sock monkey, tell you what to take it off. Ooh, snacks, granola bar, granola bars. Oh yeah, that's right. There's my quarter. Dang it! Come on. Stay here, I'll be right back. I gotta go grab something. Or you can go with since you're not holding it. What could we need for it? The snack while you can.
Wait, what do we need for the video?
Yeah.
I can't open this.
Ball. Okay. Disgusting tea bottle. Vanilla.
Is that actually the disgusting kind?
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing?
Building stuff.
When are we gonna start?
Soon. What's so funny?
Nothing.
Okay.
Let's run about the melon. When are we gonna start?
I'm trying to take a nap. Yeah, just leave me alone. Here's my diary. Diary. I'll read that. All about me. Attendance. Oh, what's this? Pencils. Has nothing to do with it. Where's my stuffed bear at? Oh, here it is. There's some great wolf lodge. You know what I'm going to do with my bear? What? Good night. Where's my yellow blinky? Stay here. Don't go without me. Stay there. Where's my yellow blinky? Hope my bear didn't go missing while I was gone. Oh, that he was in there. Good night, baby. Barry? Barry! God, where are you? Where's my bear? Where's my bear? Where's my bear? Oh, Barry? Oh, is he in one of these? Oh, sure, yes. Oh, I gotta find my bear. Bear? Where are you, buddy? Oh, there he is. I thought he went missing. Oh, hey, Minnie Kyle. Ah, now I can finally take that nap. Wait, I just realized something. I trashed my whole entire room. Where did my bear go again? Maybe he went under the bed. His bear in bed don't start with B. That's pretty simple. Uh-oh. Oh, no. What was that? I'm crushed. Where's my bear? Oh no, I'm getting trapped by a cord. Help me, please. Yeah, that's not it. That's not it. Oh, I found some tea. That was loud. Hi. Hi. Oh, there he is. He was on the ground the whole time. Oh my God! I just realized something. I forgot what I was going to do. Let me think. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, please. Ouch. Oh, here it is. Now, where did my bear go? Ouch. My head bleeding. No. Yeah, go do that. Good night. I hope you weren't filming this whole time. Wait, what? Why are you pointing the camera at me? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Good. Achoo! Achoo! Before I sneezed on you. Oh, look, it's a panda. Come here, panda. No, don't run away. What's this? Oh, bamboo. Come here, bamboo. Yeah, bamboo, stop. Ouch. Oh, okay. Don't find the Great Tower again.
And that was the story of Kyle's life.
Wait, what?
Hey,
I
that was...
put little space under my bed.
And this is what Sackman does if he's not on film.
What? What happened? It's hot in here. Is it just me or is it hot? Oh, hi.
Well, you've been running around everywhere.
Come on, please. Oh, damn! Oh, please. Oh, sorry. Think of a song. Think of a song
I don't know.
and say it.
I don't know. Wreck the holes.
Oh, I don't know that one. Sorry. Sing again. Think of a different one.
I'm not gonna
I
sing.
meant to, no, think of a song and tell me and I'll sing it. Into the fan.
I don't know. Think of one.
I got it. Sackman. Da 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 da. Wait, that wasn't a song. Hey guys, Sackman here, and welcome to another video. Oh, this could be a good video idea. Hold on, stay. And I have to practice. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, bye. Hey guys, Sackman here, and welcome to another video. I think. I'm just cleaning up my room today, and it looks pretty messy because my friend was watching me take a nap, and I was thinking of a panda drink. Oh wait, what? Okay, get the camera off me. Don't start yet. Today, I'm going to clean up, not with a broom, not with a vacuum, but a hanger. What is so funny? I don't get what your joke is. Tell me now. And you better not say the S word. Sleep. Don't even...
Sleep. Wake up.
What? The camera's on. What, already?
Sleep. Wake up.
Cool. Hey guys,
Sleep. Wake up.
Hi, it's a nice video today. Hi, I'm messed up here. Hey man, how are you? Here, I'm gonna play with my whiteboard today.
Sleep. Wake up.
Good morning, I'm Kyle Bart.
Sleep. Wake up.
Today, I'm here to tell you an American folk tale.
Sleep. Wake up.
I'm sitting in this chair.
Sleep. Wake up.
Please get me out of this room. Alright, I'm gonna do a jump.
Sleep.
I'm not gonna sleep this time. I'm gonna do a jump.
Sleep.
No. Don't mess me up.
Sleep. God.
Sackman.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Sackman, wake up. I think he died. Oh, wake up.
What happened? We're just gonna stand there and point a camera at my face.
Yeah.
Well, if I sleep one more time, I could probably die. So if you really want to kill me, then you better do it in the best position. So today I'm going to be playing color pencil.
Sleep. Wake up. I need that. Wake up. I'm Sackman. Sackman.
Da, 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 da.
Wake up.
Oh no, look at the mess you made.
I made. You're the one that dropped
Clean this
it.
up. Now you better not mess me up when I'm done cleaning. There you go, it's done.
Sleep.
No, I'm not sleeping this time. Don't say it again, please.
Sleep. Oh, God. think he's dead. Wake up.
No. I'm not doing this anymore.
Okay, I won't tell you to sleep ever again.
Cool. Well, I'm never gonna get rest.
When you need rest, I'll tell you to sleep.
Okay, I need rest.
Sleep. Wake up. Sleep. Wake up. Wake up. Sleep.
I'm not sleeping one more time.
Sleep. Wake up. Wake up.
Well,
Wake
I
up.
am